Hello fellow Pokemon trainers, Mystic Rangers here. Thank you for tuning in on our Mystic Rangers channel. Mystic Ranger Dano's here.
Ranger Ricky here.
And thank you again for tuning in. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Mystic Rangers 2020.
Subscribe to the channel.
And be sure to DM us if you guys have any questions or if you guys want to do some collaborations. It all goes down the DM on Instagram. We're doing a 3-part series for Hidden Fates. Be sure to check out the first part, which was with Gyarados GX Collections Box. And in front of you right now is what we pulled from that box. In today's special, we're going to be doing the Hidden Fates collection for Raichu GX. So comment below what you guys think we'll be pulling from this box, and let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, the contents are here in front of you. We got the Raichu GX. It's a very nice promo.
Oh yeah.
We got Thunderbolt for 120, Spark Ball GX for 200. It's a 210 HP. Yeah, very nice. And Jumbo is jumbo size. I love these. We have quite the collection of these too. Maybe we'll do that for a separate video. Just let us know down in the comments what else you guys want to see from us. We have binders and vintage cards, modern cards, and also if you guys are curious too, we do have our stores up on OfferUp. Let's go ahead and jump into the packs.
There's one of the future. In this box, we have Mewtwo, the 3 legendary with birds, Mew, and Charizard shiny.
Alright guys, so we got the first one, the shiny Mewtwo. Look at that. I love these packs. We're starting to collect the packs too. All 3. Regular Mew. And the shiny Charizard. Look at that.
See it?
Alright, well, I guess let's go with Mew first, since that was the previous episode. We had like, what, 2 of these guys? 3 packs of these, so we're just gonna continue on this.
Mew it up.
Yeah, Mew it up. Wow, these are pretty.
Yeah.
Nope. Stay back there, Ricky. I know you want to open these all up, but you gotta take a turn. It's not open. Give me scissors. So all the codes seem to be white codes. So I kind of like it that way. It's making us like guess. It takes the hype away, but keeps us on our toes. Also, if you guys want some codes too, just DM us on Instagram. We got a deal for 10. You get 9 green and 1 white, and you'll get a reverse holo or a holo. All right, Ricky, guess the energy.
Electric.
I'm getting Leaf. Ooh, Ricky's on point. Electric for Raichu.
Oh yeah.
Sabrina's Suggestion. Charmeleon. Chansey. Cubone. That's a really cool art of Cubone. Geodude. Slowpoke. Clefairy. And all the other buddy Clefairies. Jigglypuff. Ooh. Holo Fighting Energy. And behind that, Raichu GX. Wow,
that's
electric.
Cool.
So now we have both holo, or these ultra rares.
Those are all
the one promo and the one ultra. Nice.
Leave it up.
Boom, boom. In the comments, which one's your favorite? Let us know.
Add them to the what is it? Pikachu and Zekrom.
There you go.
Oh yeah, that would be cool.
Put that carefully in the sleeve. There you go, guys. Cool. I'm gonna put these up here for y'all to see. And let's sleeve up this energy too.
That's a
Nice energy. It'll stay.
Soon they're going to start disappearing. Because they're going to get.
Well, I think I'm just gonna stick with the scissors. I don't feel like ruining these, so.
Okay.
Plus, I want to keep the packs.
Oh, so it's all for art, so it's just that
Alright,
collection.
so let's go with Mewtwo, shiny. Another white code. Okay. Card trick, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm guessing
Psychic.
fire. Ricky's going psychic. Leaf, that's what I called the last one. Alright, here we go. Farfetch'd, Graveler, Chauncey, AV, Clefairy, Caterpie, Ekans, Paras, Cubo in reverse, I love that artwork, and Electro non-hollow. Regular rare.
Yeah, so it's all first gen.
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing too.
So so there should be 151 plus cards in this set, so it should be pretty easy to collect them all.
Alright guys, we're gonna open up this next pack here.
Keep that Pokemon logo. Don't cut it.
Alright, look at that, another white code. Keeping us on our toes. Alright, I'm guessing Fairy.
Electric.
Oh, Fairy it is. Alright. Giovanni's Exile. Koga's Trap. Lieutenant Surge's
gems.
Strategy. Geodude. Jigglypuff. Staryu, Starmie, Ekans, AV, Cubone again, welcome Cubone, and a non-hollow Mr. Mime. Alright, two duds right there.
Yep.
So far we got one GX Raichu, seems to be the mascot of the episode. Alright,
Charizard.
Shiny Charizard, are you in here? Are you shiny Scizor in here? Is there
Umbreon?
Shiny Umbreon? Is there shiny Darkrai?
Is there a full
I just want
ultra
a
rare?
shiny. Like, let's have a shiny in this box at least. Come on. Alright. White code. Let's put those over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel. Alright. Giovanni's Exile, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Koga's Trap, 3, same one before.
Huh.
Clefairy, Slowpoke, Pikachu, Evo's Bubbles, Charmander, Voltorb, Mr. Mime Reverse, and a non-hollow Jolteon. Okay, well to me this box was not bad. We had a Raichu GX.
Yeah.
Everything else was non-hollow. Let's just do a quick recap, guys. Literally just got these two out of that box. Previous one, well, 3. Raichu GX, thanks, Ricky. And then, yeah, be sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mystic Rangers 2020. And we will see you guys for the 3rd episode. We're gonna open up the Charizard GX box. Alright, till next time, guys. We will see you soon.